Okay, so today I'm talking about Messier 101, the Pinwheel Galaxy is its nickname. But first, some background on what Messier means, what that is. So the Messier catalog is what came about when a man by the name of Messier was searching for deep sky objects, or searching for comets. And when he found these cloudy deep sky objects, he started journaling them to distinguish them from comets. And those objects became Messier objects, and his journal became the Messier catalog. And so now when people discover more Messier objects, they are added on as the next number, in sequence. Um, so here we have the 101st Messier object, 101, the Pinwheel Galaxy. First, some facts, some basic facts. It is a spiral galaxy. It has a right ascension of 14 hours, 3 minutes, and 12.6 seconds. It has a declination of 54 degrees, 20 and 57, and then it is roughly 20.9 million light years away from Earth. Also, if that is also 6.4 megaparsecs from Earth. It has 1 trillion stars around that many stars within it. Its apparent magnitude is 7.86, and its absolute magnitude is negative 21.6. Its radius is 85,000 light years. So take a look at its location. You can see in there. It's right here where the red is. It is within the constellation of Ursa Major, right on the tail of Ursa Major, on the handle of the Big Dipper, if you will, by the stars Alcade and Alcor. It's also right on the border of the constellation Boots, and close enough to the constellation Draco, so that it's pretty close to all three of those in itself. So the man who discovered Messier 101, his name was Pierre Méchain, and he was a French astronomer. It was discovered in March 27th of 1781. And he had this to say. He said, "Nebula without a star, very obscure and pretty large, or 6 or 7 minutes of arc, or arc minutes, in diameter. Between the left hand of Boots and the tail of the Great Bear, or Ursa Major. It is difficult to distinguish when one lits the grating wires." So, yeah, the statement is kind of a little bit old fashioned, the way he words things, because it was written in 1781, but you get the drift of what he was saying there, kind of identifying it. So he verified the object's location, and he added it to the catalog. So just some other facts on the object. So it's actually one of the best known spiral galaxies in the night sky. It's pretty popular for both amateur and professional astronomers to view. You do need a pretty large telescope to view it pretty well, though. So it's actually one of the largest and most detailed photos that Hubble has released. So that's pretty cool. And interestingly enough, it's roughly 70% larger than our own galaxy, containing so many stars and being so large like that. Yeah, and then also Anglo-Irish astronomer Lord Rosse was the first to document the galaxy's structure in more detail, and he did that in the 19th century. So, yeah, that is all I have on the